Okay, so when we first got to Switzerland, things were really hectic, but we met up with our friends Ashlyn and Alec and went to a specialty coffee shop just called Coffee. Then we also picked up our car at the airport, and then we went straight to the Airbnb. Okay, so you walk in the door here, and immediately on the side is this nice little room. It's super big. It's got a little piano, this beautiful view. Such a beautiful view out here. You can see the mountains and the city in the background. And on the other side of the hallway is the bathroom, which is this super cute little room. Okay, over here we got a kitchen, which is very nice as well. Okay, in here is some friends. Hello. Why? Then over here, there's a little balcony. You can go out there and sit where there's like fresh vegetables out there. And of course, another bed. All this sort of stuff. It's really nice. Okay, where are we at?
We're at the Lidnt chocolate factory in Switzerland.
It smells amazing. And also, that's the world's largest chocolate fountain, I guess.
Who says?
Who says? I do, the chocolate authority.
You've seen all the chocolate fountains.
Yes, I actually counted all of them. Okay, we're gonna eat all the chocolate now.
Fondue, more like fondant.
Competition to see who can eat the most chocolate on this tour.
Who do you think can eat the most chocolate?
Probably Ashlyn, honestly.
I can eat the most chocolate or because of my willpower.
Okay.
May the best man win. That's chocolate.
My favorite, white chocolate. Wow, that's sweet. It's good. So I got this chocolate. I'm gonna guess what flavor it is.
You don't like it? Okay, so in that last room is technically infinite liquid chocolate that you can drink and infinite chocolate bars that you can eat. And now you can get one of each type of truffle. So I'm kind of getting a little bit sick, just a little bit, but it's so delicious. Oh my gosh, that's a lot of truffle.
They really don't skimp out on the free unlimited chocolate tastings. Bring water.
Yeah.
You were warned.
Oh my goodness, I feel so sick. It was really, really good, but I'm like dying. So, okay, now we're gonna actually go do something else.
This is day 2 in Zurich.
Yay! Today we're just hanging out in the apartment. We woke up late because of jet lag, and now we're gonna go get coffee at another specialty coffee shop. And the sun's out. It's so pretty, and I'm gonna cry because you can see the snowy mountains, and it's so pretty. Okay, let's go get some stuff. Okay, so that was Mame. It was really good. The coffee was delicious. All of it was so good. I'm a very happy boy.
I had an okay matcha latte. I like my things iced. It's just I wanted the latte art, so I made that sacrifice.
We got a flight, and I think I should have wrote down the notes of the coffee because I was right and
they were wrong.
I think I have a cacao nib stuck in my throat.
Right now we're at Collective Bakery, and Zurich, and they have a lot of really good stuff. I got a focaccia sandwich. You obviously got like a vegan sandwich, and you got pastry, and I'm not hungry anymore. Okay, so next we decided to go to the Swiss National Museum, which is right here in downtown, right across from the big train station. This is just like their sort of national museum with all the sort of random Swiss stuff, so we're just gonna explore here for a while and then walk around downtown. Okay, we definitely underestimated this museum. This isn't just like their national history, but it also has just a ton of really cool interactive exhibits, lots of fine art, really cool architecture, so we were only planning on needing to spend an hour, but we really could have spent 4 or 5 if you're a real museum kind of person, so definitely plan around that if you want to come here. Okay, that was the Swiss National Museum. It was very cool, but it's also really big and it took way longer than I thought it would. You definitely need like 4 hours at least to go through the whole thing, so just like don't do it all or plan accordingly. But it was really cool. Ashton, would you happen to be hungry?
I'm so hungry. I am hungry.
You're so hungry that you're hungry? Okay, we're gonna go eat like Italian food now. Would you like to read the Constitution?
You're gonna get me flipping through the Constitution?
Yeah, that's great.
Our Father, who art in heaven, hallowed be thy name.
Wait, what? So yeah, that's basically it for Zurich. It's just a normal large city. There's not a ton of big city life or anything like that, but we really enjoyed our time. It's very beautiful and calm. We spent the rest of the day just walking around train stations and exploring a few thrift stores, just generally enjoying life. But in the next vlog, we'll be going up into the mountains, and it is honestly insane up there, and you're not gonna wanna miss that, so be sure to stay tuned for that. All right, thanks for watching, and if you enjoy this content, please consider liking and subscribing. It helps us out a lot, and it helps us travel more. Peace out.